everyone. Before we get started, I want to thank Erabros for sending me this product. This is the LS1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, and I'm really excited to get into this thing. I'm going to unbox it, show you everything inside and what it comes with. So let's get started. So starting off, it comes with the user manual here and a quick start guide. So you can go through those two and get familiar with your Erabros Robot Vacuum. So inside this package, you got the Erabros Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. You have the mop attachment, 2 extra dusting attachments, a remote, batteries, a cleaning tool, an extra filter, your charging station, and the plug for your charging station. And here's the vacuum. I really like the design. It's very sleek looking and nice little color to it. So flip this around. Here's the underneath. There are your wheels. And right down here is where you're going to install your little sweeper things. So click them into place. And the second one, there you go. Got your brushes clicked in. There's 2 things on the side to remove. Lift up here. This is what you got inside of it. So right in here you got your dust tank, and it's got the filter already on it. And a beautiful thing about this, it also comes with an extra filter right here. So if that one's ever bad, you need to replace it. Got one right here. So also down here on the front, it gives you the instructions on how to connect this to Wi-Fi. So very easy to follow. It's pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. You're gonna have to download the app, and once that's downloaded, you connect everything. And it's very easy step-by-step process. So moving back onto the back here, see this area here? This is going to be for your little mop section for it. So we're going to connect that right on. So you got your connection areas right here. That's going to connect right to here. So mop part facing the floor. So this is upside down, it's going to be up. And simply just connect those right in. Once you hear that click, it's nice and snug, and you got it in right. So the water tank and the mop pad here comes together, but if you have it separate, you don't need to clean this every time you mop. About every 30 minutes, it's recommended that you clean this when you're mopping. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it. It just slides in through here, right to the other side. And once it's connected, you just stick these Velcro patches onto this area here. So slide that right in. Stops at the end. Stick that right back down. So now on the top here where it says open, just gonna lift that open, and right here is where you're gonna put your water. So once you get that filled up, you're gonna slide that right back into the robot vacuum at the bottom, like I just showed, and that's gonna clip right in, then you're ready to mop. As a reminder, do not have this charging with this attached. And if you're not mopping, take this apart and leave it to the side until you're ready to mop again. So that's everything unboxed. Everything's attached that needs to be attached. You're gonna download the app, get everything connected, and start using this thing.